Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. And this time round we are going to show you these new colors, which are a limited edition colors from the alfresco range by Frenchic paint. And these colors are these three that I'm surrounded with. Mainly we have Daffs, Dive In, and Raspberry Punch. This is one of the new colors called Daffs, and the color is a bit like a daffodil, of course, that's why the name is here. You can see the color closer to this. It is a beautiful yellow. It's not really bright, but it's not really flat, and it can give you that sense of cleanliness, of sunshine, and of the beauty of flowers, especially daffodils, tulips, roses. So this is a very flowery color that you can use either indoors or outdoors. That's why it's called alfresco, and it is also self-sealing and self-priming. So you don't really need to prime before, you don't need to do an undercoat, and you don't need to do a sealing agent after you have finished painting your project. In fact, the board behind me, it only took me 2 coats to cover on bare wood. And this color is called Dive In. Dive in meaning dive into the sea, into the ocean. The color is a little bit of a bluish, greenish, grayish. It has all 3 hues, and it is an amazingly beautiful color. In fact, we have already used it on quite a few projects already, even though the color is a new one. And at the back of me, you can see the board. Well, we added some ideas thanks to Alice Osman, the author of Heartstopper. So we greet our customers at our shop with this. May I remind you also that being an alfresco color, it is also weatherproof and UV protected. So the color won't change over the seasons because of the UV rays, and it is also weatherproof. It can stand to heat and cold once it is done, it's dry, and is cured. This color is called Raspberry Punch, and it is a very beautiful deep pink, practically close enough to an Italian pink, which is very much in fashion right now, especially on furniture and also outdoor furniture. If you remember well, and you can see it on our social media, our window display for the last Christmas 2021 was all in this color, and this color wasn't even out by the Frenchic paint company. And well, we're proud to say that we were bang on trend. This pink can go anywhere. It's either on a dresser, in a bedroom, in a kitchen if you want to. There's people who love striking colors for their kitchen, and also and especially for outside. So if you are entertaining people, you can do even items like this here to paint with, obviously, this color, and people will be awestruck by your creativity. May I also remind you that being an alfresco, limited edition of course, but it is an alfresco, it's good for outside, and inside it's practically VOC free, so there's no inhalants and no chemicals, so you can paint indoors and outdoors. It's also child friendly and pet friendly, and mainly, as I have already mentioned before, no primer and no sealer needed. It is weatherproof and also UV protected. So your pink, your raspberry punch will stay as is over the years. I hope you liked this fancy video. These are the 3 colors we have mentioned on this video today. Make sure that you purchase one of these colors if you like one of them. I love all 3 of them. They're really fun, really quirky, and they really blend into each other. Until we meet for the next video, ta-ta! You can purchase them at our shop, which is also called RescoliByCarlo, which is just in front of the Nashar Cemetery in Nashar, obviously. Opening hours and days, you can find them either on Google, on Facebook, or any other social media app that you might find us in. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, RescoliByCarlo. That will keep us going and helping us also with new content and new material. So if you have any ideas and anything that you want us to show you how to do, please tell us in the comments below.